In the golden age of British motorcycling, one machine stood as a symbol of power, pride, and engineering brilliance, the BSA Gold Star. Born from racing legends and refined for the road, it was more than a motorcycle. It was an icon. From Brooklands to backroads, the Gold Star defined a generation of riders who craved speed, simplicity, and soul. At the heart of the Gold Star lay a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, a thumper that delivered pure raw torque. With 40 horsepower, a top speed over 110 miles per hour, and race-tuned internals, the DBD34 version was a force on road and track. Its aggressive bark through the megaphone exhaust wasn't just sound, it was a statement. The Gold Star wasn't just fast, it handled with grace. A lightweight duplex frame, telescopic forks, and full-width drum brakes offered nimble control. Clubman versions featured clip-on bars, rear-set pegs, and closed-ratio gearboxes for spirited cornering. Whether in the city or the countryside, it danced with mechanical precision. Styled with polished alloy tanks, chrome details, and minimalist lines, the Gold Star was visual poetry. Every model came hand-assembled and dyno-tested, giving riders a one-of-a-kind machine. In races, cafés, and collector garages, the Gold Star remains etched into the memory of motorcycling culture. Though it faded in the 60s with the rise of Japanese rivals, the legend never died. In 2022, the BSA Gold Star was reborn modern, yet classic in spirit. But nothing replaces the rumble of the original. The BSA Gold Star, then and now, is not just a bike, but the beating heart of British motorcycling history.